We have a special unboxing today. Let me sit down. This is from our wonderful channel supporter, DollyGirl Twins. Hudson's here. He's got his holiday bell on.
Jingle bell.
So I took the dangerous, you know, packaging away.
Jingle Bell Hudson.
So here we go. Ready, Hudson?
Oh, cool.
New
York.
New York.
Oh,
Let
that's
me take
cool.
everything out of this box. I think it will be nicer if the box is gone. What do you think? Oh, wow.
Oh, beautiful. Wow, look at those.
Wow, look at this.
Yeah,
New
nice.
York. What do you think, Huds? What does it say? To Karla, that one says. But this one has a card, so I'm going with the card first.
All right, here we go. For Huds.
Another treat for Huds.
Boop.
Okay. All right.
Oh, cool bow.
And look at the little books.
Oh, nice.
And
Let me see.
Star.
Let me see. Oh, yeah. Cool. Cool.
Hudson, you ready? Oh, look at this, guys.
Look at Huds.
Bookstore.
Oh, that's cool.
Oh, what a beautiful card. Look at the little bird in the window. No, Hudson. You can't come up.
Look at how cool this is, guys.
Sit back down.
Look at it. It has real windows with a little bird. Birdo.
Santa Hudson, sit back
It reminds me kind of in a way of Up West Sider books.
Yes.
Very cool.
And a little cart, yeah.
Right?
To Karla, James, and Hudson. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. 2023, all the best on your book launch and many more. DollyGirl Twins.
Ah, beautiful.
XOXO. Oh, extra
beautiful.
Good. All right, so
good
here
boy,
we go.
Huds.
Huds, sit.
He's got his bell.
Here we go.
Here we
Ready?
go.
I don't know if there's anything
I
specifically
love that card.
for you, Hudson, but
I love that card.
oh wow, this is really.
Yeah,
this
Huds.
might-
Maybe you gotta help Huds.
Maybe this requires some. Ooh.
Oh, careful. Look at Huds. He's watching.
Huds, can you help me out here with your strong teeth?
Yeah, you love ripping stuff apart.
No, I'm gonna definitely have to get a
Scissor.
yeah. If you want to pause that. For a
Yeah, I'll
sec.
pause it.
Guys, I'm back. Hudson,
Scissor can.
stay away from the dangerous scissors.
Yeah, be careful with Huds.
Of course.
Huds is curious. Oh, I love that wrapping. It's so cool.
I know, it's great, isn't it?
Yeah. Oh.
Ooh,
Whoa.
Hudson.
What is this? Look at Huds.
Oh,
He's like, I'm
He always gets involved.
involved. He just knocked the card. I love this card.
It's a beautiful card.
Yeah, fantastic job, DollyGirl Twins.
Oh no. Oh my God! Hudson!
What is it?
Hudson!
What is it?
He's sitting on the table.
Look at Hudson! Look at the scene. Oh my God, guys, he's on the table.
He's on the table.
Ooh,
He's on the table.
Yeah, what do you think? Oh man. Karla's opening it. What is it? Look at Huds. He's like, what is in here? Look at him. He's sniffing the other one now. Look at Hudster. Oh, Huds. What's in there?
Oh my God, guys!
Guys.
Guys! Oh my God! Oh my God, guys!
What's in there?
Wait till you see.
I gotta stand up. Look at Huds.
More packing. Wait for it.
Look at the tail. It's in the.
DollyGirl Twins
what is that?
outdone herself.
Oh my God! I know what that is.
Oh my
Oh,
God!
DollyGirl Twins.
Oh my
DollyGirl
God!
Twins. DollyGirl
General
Twins.
Electric 8-track.
Oh my
Power
God!
sound. Check it out.
Oh my God! How cool!
Check
Oh
it
my
out.
God! Ah!
Oh my God!
Oh, stop! Ah!
Wait a minute.
Oh my
I
God!
got, there's so much packing. Hold on, guys.
Oh my God! Huds! Look at Huds!
All right, let me take the box
Oh
away.
my God!
Hold on.
Oh, Huds, he doesn't know what to do.
He's like, oh my God, what is all this excitement about? Oh my
Oh,
God.
that's crazy.
DollyGirl Twins.
DollyGirl Twins. Guys, this is so cool.
She even found a tape, an 8-track. The Electric Horseman with Willie Nelson.
Oh my God, that's awesome. Oh my God.
And don't forget, we have the parallel lines.
Yeah, look at how cool.
Go get that one.
Yeah, look. I'm going to show Karla. Oh my God. Guys, look at how cool this is. We got parallel lines. We got the Willie Nelson. I don't even know how to do it. Oh, no, it goes the other way. It goes the other way, I believe. No, like that. To turn. No, label front. Yeah. Oh, we'll have to. Yeah, look. Ah! Oh, DollyGirl Twins. Oh, this is sick. Look at it, guys. Let's show. Look at that. It's got the dual speaker system. Video phone. Look at that.
Sing along, mic gain.
Yeah, because you can put a microphone in it.
Oh my God.
Guys, this is so dope.
So, I mean, it looks like I have a compartment for batteries.
No, and the plug is in there too.
Yeah, and the plug is in there. DollyGirl, I cannot believe.
Oh my God, that is
so
cool.
I never had like a portable 8-track.
Look, it's going right up there.
Yeah, so that could
with
be
the boombox from DollyGirl
Twins.
Twins.
With the boombox. Wait.
Oh my God.
Wait. Check this out.
Yeah, I'm coming over.
Check.
Oh.
Check this out. Oh, my holiday cards are falling.
Hang on, guys. Look at how cool that is. And there's a plug right below. I'm going to plug it in. Oh.
I'm going to make it nice.
Guys, look at how sick that is. Oh my God. How did she get this?
I know, isn't that crazy?
Yeah, how did she do it? Wait, there's one more thing.
Yeah, I know. But Hudson staying on the table then? Is that what Hudson is doing now?
I guess.
Oh God, all right.
Huds, give him a treat.
Huds.
So he gets up, so I'm not filming from his backside. Look at him.
How's that? Is that better now?
Yeah, he rules the whole thing, you know.
Because remember, this label says to Karla.
Oh, cool. Oh, look at that 8-track. How did she do that?
I can't believe it.
Oh, Dolly, how did that happen? DollyGirl Twins. I'm trying to film over Hudson.
Oh, there's leopard.
Oh, cool. Look at how cool that is.
Oh my God.
Oh, that's nice.
Oh my God.
Oh no, wait.
Oh
Huds.
no. Oh, it's a key. Oh my
a
God.
key fob. Look at he's gonna no.
Oh no, he's gonna hit the Ghostbusters firehouse with his tail.
Oh my God.
Oh, Hudson loves the key fob. This is perfect. You know why? Because now when we do, like, we want to get Hudson's attention.
Yeah, we have
I just go like this, and this will be perfect.
Yeah.
And then wait,
put your hat on.
I will. I got a scarf too. Look at my.
Oh, that's dope.
This. Oh, I love this scarf.
Yeah, that's great.
DollyGirl Twins.
Yeah, that's beautiful.
Ooh,
oh, that's beautiful.
Look at this.
Look at Hudson.
Hold on.
Oh my God. Look at a scarf.
Oh boy, no.
Oh my God.
You can't.
He's still.
This is my keychain now. No, you
that's
can't have
that's
it.
the Hudson.
And I have to take off the tag, but look.
Yeah. Oh, dope. Very cool. Oh, that looks great, hon.
Extra good.
Absolutely nice. Looks nice,
DollyGirl
yeah.
Twins, thank you so much.
DollyGirl Twins, 8-track player, Karla's hat, scarf, and
There's
Hudson
more.
attention getter.
And there's more.
And there's one more.
There's more. Okay, let me leave it.
Look at that. I gotta show the 8-track again. I'm going over. Guys, look at. Oh man. Oh God. I'm coming back.
Come on.
Wait, Hudson. Oh my God.
Okay, guys, there's more.
Oh, that's cool.
More. I know. Wait.
Oh, it's very cool.
Hudson's like, this was indirectly for me.
Oh, cool.
This?
Oh, leggings and stuff, right?
A shirt.
Oh, it's a shirt. Cool.
Oh man.
Oh, that is cool.
Oh, I love the
Yeah,
print.
I love that. Yeah, that's very nice.
Fire. It's like a hearts on fire. See,
Yeah.
Hearts.
Yeah, tribal. Yeah, it's very
like
cool.
Hearts on fire.
It's still not the 8-track.
But wait, there's more.
Oh, that's cool too.
Ooh.
Oh, very cool.
I
Those
love
look
the
like,
colors.
yeah. They look like gene scans.
Yeah. Ooh.
Very cool. DNA
And then wait, there's more.
Guys, Hudson's on the table. Oh, and those are cool.
Oh.
Huds.
Ooh. Look at these. Ooh la la.
Yeah, very cool.
Nice leggings. Like
Guys,
like a wet look, like a leather look.
Yeah, look at those are very cool.
This is so sweet, so thoughtful.
Yeah, just so that's perfect for you, hon.
I can't wait to put them on. I'm obviously oh God, not going to get dressed right now, but these are fantastic.
Oh,
I will
absolutely
let you know.
fantastic job.
They're gonna all fit perfectly.
Yeah, they look like they'll fit you perfect.
Because I think
Love the hat.
DollyGirl Twins. She knows. She knows my size.
Yeah.
She knows. Extra good.
Extra
Hudson,
good.
Come on back over. I gotta get my 8-track.
Look at him. Yeah, put it on your shoulder.
I will.
Yeah, look at how cool that looks. Oh my God, DollyGirl Twins, fantastic job.
Extra.
Absolutely.
Extra.
I can't wait to experience. I'll be up all night playing with that thing. Absolutely fantastic job.
Oh my God.
Merry Christmas.
Thank you.
Thanks,
Thank
DollyGirl
you so
Twins.
Much. Happy holidays. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Thanks, Dolly Girl.